Good morning, students. Once again, and in last class we studied about electric dipole. And in this particular case, we have studied one particular case, that is field on axial line. Field on axial line. Okay. And second thing is that field on equatorial line. This is already I teach you, and I am coming to this second case, field on the equatorial line. So let me define first what is equatorial line. So here this is I'm taking here a dipole. This is, and this is the length, and length we are taking this as the 2a. Equatorial line means a straight line which is perpendicular to axial line. This is axial line, which is perpendicular to axial line and passing through center of the dipole. Passing through center of the dipole. This is center of the dipole. So it has to obey 2 points. The first point, it is perpendicular to axial line, and second thing is that it must pass through the center of the dipole. This center of the dipole. That means this is the length a, and this is also length a. This is 2a, and here at a distance r, here we are going to find out electric field at this point, and the distance from here to here, it is r, small r. So as we know that from positive charge the direction of electric field is outside, away. So this is electric field due to q positive plus q, and since this is the negative charge, electric field is towards the charge, so this is electric field due to q minus. So here we will draw a horizontal line here, and let us take this angle is theta. If this angle is theta, this is also same angle theta. So let us divide this u q plus into two components. Resolution of the components. This will be u e q plus cos theta, and this will be e q plus sin theta. This will be sin theta. Okay, and the same way here e q minus is also resolved in two components. This is e q minus, and this is also angle theta only. This is also angle theta. Okay, this is angle theta, this is alternate angles. So this is cos theta, and this will be e q minus sin theta. So here first of all we'll write down what is the magnitude of e q plus. What is the formula? Electric field with a point charge, 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q by r square. R square means the distance from here to here. This is the right angle triangle. And this distance is a, and this distance is r. So from Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse whole square is equal to side square plus side square. Let us call this as the x. So x square is equal to r square plus a square. Hypotenuse whole square is equal to side square plus side square. So x is equal to root over r square plus a square. So this is the value of x. The value of. But here in our formula, this is like x square. So in the place of x square, what we can write down? R square plus a square. This is also same. If this is x and this is also same distance, why? Because of this is a and this is r, and here it is same. So that is why electric EQ plus and EQ minus, both are having same magnitude, but one is direction like this and another one is direction like this. Since here it is in this angle sin theta, in this angle sin theta, both are same in this right angle triangle, in this right angle triangle. So here this EQ plus sin theta is in upward direction, EQ minus sin theta is in downward direction. This is having this magnitude and this magnitude, both are having same and opposite in direction, hence they will cancel. So coming to EQ plus cos theta and EQ minus cos theta, both are having same magnitude and in same direction, hence a total magnetic field will be added here. It is why, because of both are in same direction. Here both are in opposite direction, hence they will cancel. So here these two are in same direction, so they will add. So here finally net electric field E is equal to E plus Q cos theta plus E minus Q cos theta. So from the figure, cos theta is equal, what is the formula? Adjacent side by hypotenuse. This is A by root over A square plus R square. So this is cos theta. So therefore E is equal to, what we can write down, both are having same, so E plus Q cos theta. So here I am writing so therefore E is equal to, and previously I wrote, what do you mean by E plus Q? E plus Q means 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by A square plus R square into cos theta. This is the cos theta value. Cos theta means A by A square plus R square whole power 1 by 2, and root over, here I am writing like this. So here I am bringing this T2 here, 2Q into A, it is nothing but dipole moment. Dipole moment, this is dipole moment. So in the place of here I am writing E is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught P by A square plus R square whole power 3 by 2. This is whole power 1, and since bases are same, we can add these powers. 1 plus 1 by 2, this is 3 by 2. So like this we got. So in this equation, if R is very greater than A, then this A square can be neglected. Here it is. So here what we'll get finally, E is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught P by R square whole power 3 by 2. Here we'll get R cube. This is on equatorial line. So on axial line, what we got? E on axial line, what we got? 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught 2 P by R cube. This is the difference. Here it is on equatorial line. If you go like this, here it is, the electric field direction is always along the horizontal only. No vertical component of electric field exists here on these points. Okay, so on the axial line, this is the formula. Okay, and questions may be asked in different directions. So here at 10 centimeters, here at 10 centimeters, this is P1 and this is P2. Here 10 centimeters and this is also 10 centimeters. At which point the electric field will be more. So by using this equation and this equation we can say. So here E axial is equal to what we can write down, 2 into E equatorial. Why? Because of this is 2p. So here on the axial line, the field will be 2 times stronger when compared with this equatorial line. So these are all points. You see the textbook also, and you note down all these equations. Take the notes from this one. Thank you, and hope you understand this concept. If you have any doubts, you can post in the comments of the YouTube, or you can personally WhatsApp to me. Thank you so much.